pre-K, Miss A here, and we are going to do a directive draw lesson today. We are going to draw, you ready? A rabbit. I want to thank my little, my sweet little daughter, who's not so little, Natalie. She's videotaping this today. Thanks, Natalie. Okay, what you need to do is you need a piece of paper and a pencil. Now, after we're done, you can color it with crayons. If you want to watercolor, I would use a thicker paper, like cardstock or even construction paper. Today, I'm just using white paper, just plain copy paper. I'm gonna use a dark marker for you so you can see it a little bit better. All right, let's get ready. I have my paper, I have my writing utensil, and we're gonna start with the arch first with his face. I'm gonna draw it first. You just start at the very bottom. You're gonna make a big arch, an upside down U, and then you stop. There you go. And put your pencil in the air when you're ready. Okay? You can pause this video at any time if I'm going too fast. Next, we need to do our ears. So we're gonna go to the top of our bunny. Let's see if I can kind of do one first. We're gonna make one big ear. All right, go to work. Now we need our other ear. I'm gonna come over to the side, make an arch up, and then I kind of slide it down. If I'm a little off, I apologize. It's a different way for me to draw. Okay, now in our ears, we need to have our inside part. So I'm gonna start with the right one first. I need to put my paper flat. I'm just gonna draw another inside. All right, go to work. Remember, we color at the end. Now I need to finish this ear. Up and down, just another arch. Okay, are we done? No, we're missing a lot. Now we need to make our eyes. Our eyes down here at the bottom of our bunny? Yeah, he'd look a little funny. So we're gonna put two circles here, and let's have our circles touching today. Let's have two circles about the same size touching. I'm gonna draw two circles right at the top, in the middle. I'm gonna make sure they touch. Okay, ready? Go to work. Now we're gonna draw the inside of our eyes, and let's have our little bunny, let's have him look down today. Draw an arch and an arch. I have black already, so I'm gonna go ahead and color mine in. Remember, you can color yours after we're done drawing. And I can touch up later too. Okay, now we're gonna make his little nose. We're gonna color it pink later, but I'm not gonna put it way down here. I'm just gonna put it right below the eyes, not too far down. Just a little circle. That's it. Simple. Now we're gonna make another circle larger than this one, than his nose, right underneath. I know, he looks a little silly right now, but we're not done. Okay. Go to the nose at the very bottom of the little circle right here, and you're gonna make a straight line going all the way down. Go. Okay, now he needs his teeth. We're gonna give him two big old teeth. These will be white. So they look like little squares right below. Just two squares. Pretty simple. He looks cute, doesn't he? Okay, we're not done. Now we need our whiskers, but let's see if we can make him a little curly cue. Okay, we're gonna do 3 on each side. So all together, we're gonna have 6 whiskers. Let's start. I'm gonna start on one side. 1, 2, 3. If you want your whiskers to be straight, that's fine too. I just added a little curly cue to the ends. Okay, I'm not done. Let's go do the other side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good work. Okay, that's our rabbit today. Now, it's up to you how you'd like to color him. I chose to make my rabbit white. And remember, we always talk about realistic colors. So he's white, and the inside of his ears, I made a little pink. The background, I did just one color. I chose kind of a light green, but you, bugs everywhere. You can do stripes or a purple background, whatever you'd like. It's up to you. It's a gorgeous day. I hope you can go outside today. I hope you can color outside, create, and have a good day. Love you guys, miss you. I'll see you soon. Bye.